Welcome to the UNCW payroll verification process. To log on, you will need to access your CNET account. You will need to click on the Secure Logon for faculty, staff, and student icon. Once the logon screen appears, you will enter your banner number or 850 number into the user ID section, and your PIN was given to you when you arrived at UNCW. If you forgot your PIN, click on the Please Go Here icon to retrieve your password. Once you log on, click on the Employee tab along the top of the page. On the next page, you will click on the timesheet icon to pull up your timesheets. At this point, all of your job codes should show up on the screen. In order to approve your timesheets, you will need to click on the drop-down menu next to your job codes. You will have to select the month in which you worked, meaning you'll have to select the previous month. When selecting the previous month, the drop-down icon will have an In Progress listed next to the dates. Once you have successfully submitted your timesheet, the drop-down icon will then change to Pending. Once the month you want is in the drop-down menu, click on the timesheet icon at the bottom of the page. All of your hours will be displayed under the total hours. You will also be able to scroll through each week to see if your hours are correct. If all your hours are correct, click on the Submit for Approval icon. Once you click on the Submit for Approval icon, you will need to re-enter your PIN to complete submitting your timesheet. You will once again need to go to the Employee tab at the top of the page and then go back to the timesheet icon to finish approving all your job codes. You will need to repeat this process for all job codes in which you have hours. If the drop-down tab shows not started, you do not have any hours under this job code and you can move on to the next timesheet. You can start approving your timesheets on the first business day of the month after receiving an email from campusrec@uncw.edu or from your supervisor. This email will include all the information you need to know when approving payroll. You must complete the approval process by 5 p.m. on the second business day of the month. If you are having trouble approving your timesheets or have an error message, you need to contact the UNCW Campus Recreation Main Office immediately at 910-962-7443. If you believe you are missing hours, do not approve your timesheet and contact your direct supervisor immediately to resolve the problem. If you click the Enter Hours tab and submit hours without approval from your supervisor, you may be terminated. Once you're done approving your timesheets, you may log out and this will complete the payroll process. You will need to complete the payroll process each month you work. All checks will be deposited automatically on the 15th of each month, with the exception of your first check, which will be available at the cashier's office in the Woolwork Center on the 15th of that month. If you have any questions, please contact the Campus Recreation Main Office or your direct supervisor.